Hey, welcome to Blender. So today we're looking at physics. So let's go to the render engine and switch that out to cycles, and we'll go ahead and delete this default cube, I think. 1 second. Okay, let's delete this default cube. Let's go ahead and add a plane, S for scale, and I'm going to go ahead and add in, let's go with some torus. Right click shade smooth, and we're going to make these as gold. So go to materials tab and we'll go ahead and make these gold. Turn up that metallic, turn down that roughness. And all we're going to do is just press G, R for rotate. And what we can do here is we can go ahead and go to, you can go with particles, that's what I mean, like you can go with physics. Let's go ahead and go with collision for the base. And then we're going to have collision on this one as well, and hopefully should be able, if we had fluid, actually, let's go with fluid, should be able to work. That's really weird. Hold on. Let's get rid of that fluid, let's get rid of that ocean. Cloth. Here we go. Make some funky stuff. And we're just going to go splat with it. So let's go with G. Move this across right here. We'll go Shift D. Move this across. Rotate this one round. This one should have the cloth as well. So when we press spacebar, something like this. Let's go ahead and take these two. Shift D, R for rotate, G, bring these up. Just go ahead and just make a good couple of these, rotating them round randomly. And then, when we press the space bar, we should have this. Oh, that's really cool, it makes a ring. Yes. So I think I'm just going to leave the tutorial there for today. But what you can do, so your end animation, I believe, will be 156. Go to your output, I believe it is. So you want to go for, you can go with JPEG if you want to, but it's totally up to you. Video, RGB, and then you should be able to amend all of these as well. Also pick your output folder right here. So I'm just going to call this gold ring fall. Set with that one, and then just go ahead and render animation on your computer. Yeah, so I will see you in the next Blender tutorial. Have fun. Bye bye.